Okay folks, I'm going to start this out by showing you some new pieces and what I started out with when I bought this rigid planer. I bought this rigid planer at an auction, and they said it ran. It did, but it's missing a lot of pieces. I took it to an electric motor repair place, and they looked it over. Motor seems to be fine. Parts that I am missing or replaced, I'll just get right to that and show you what I had to do here. First of all, this is the inside bed. This is where the cutting wheels are, or cutting wheel and blades are above. As you can see, it's very badly scratched. Horribly bad. Dented. So whoever owned this, they did something really stupid with it. And I'll show you the two blades that actually came with it. Set that aside. These are the two blades that were on the machine when I got it. As you can see, very, very badly chipped. And this individual either didn't know not to run screws and nails through it or whatever, or maybe a child messing around. Just absolutely annihilated this blade. It does have one good edge on both blades, however. They are usable, flipping them over. I'm going to keep them just in case I have an issue with one of my new 3 blades here. There's 3 blades in there, brand new. They're razor sharp. I've got a scar on my hand to prove that. So here is the brand new mirror finished internal table here. As you can see, it's perfect. It is a mirror. It is so nice. Next thing is these are the hold down braces for the knives. This one is brand new because it was missing one. Here's the two. You can see discolored, dirty, brand new. Now here we get to the feed and exit plates. As you can tell, very badly scratched. These are not cheap in any way to replace. I don't suspect that they will cause me an issue by in using them currently. So I'll be looking at those, later down the road in time. As you can see, both of them are really badly scratched. So this is where I am going to start reassembly, and I will share more with you as time goes by. Thank you.